So here we are looking at AERN. This is the daily chart. Did this one a few days ago on this day here where the price really made this huge gigantic move. Some profit takers took. My guess would be looking at the people that were probably accumulating down while it was bottoming out here, probably decided to take their profit, so congratulations to them. But the key thing about the chart now where we're at is just the action the past couple of days and how bullish it has been. Now before you jump down my throat and say how can you call red days bullish, well, let me explain, and hopefully you'll see that what I'm talking about is a good bullish thing. And if you don't believe me, all you have to really do is go to any technical analysis textbook or run a simple Google search, and you'll see that the price and volume action that we've been seeing would be considered healthy by any sort of chartist or a person that does follow the technicals. So just to recap once again, we had this bottoming out phase, then had the gigantic volume day here, and the big price reaction happened, and then we had some profit takers step in. But this is the first area that, like I said, any chartist would tell you, and any Google search will point out that when the price is pulling back like it has been doing the past 3 days, you want to see volume decrease with that action. And sure enough, looking down here, you can see volume has decreased relative to the big breakout day here, which was on this volume day. So from a volume analysis standpoint, volume is acting exactly like you would want to see it. Decrease in price, the pullback here, decrease in volume. So textbook move right here. The other thing is the actual price action itself relative to key areas of price support. And with this chart, we have a very obvious and blatant area to keep our eye on, and that is this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. This is a key moving average, and because the price is above it, we want to see it act as a support. And looking closer at the chart now, you can see that for the past 2 days, not once but twice, the price has come down and bounced right off this 50-day simple moving average. Right now, that level is valued at 0.0052. So 0.0052 is the key level of support and the level that has been holding. So just a nice example of this key level of support, showing that it is support and showing that there are buyers that are willing to buy down in this area here. So as I've been saying, this has been consolidation, the pullback, but pullbacks with low volume is nothing to worry about, especially when you can see that there's been support in the chart with the 50-day. So those are the two key things. The final thing, and probably not my favorite part of the chart, but definitely an important aspect, is the chart has shown that it can move when big volume hits it. There's nothing worse than seeing a big volume day come in and hit a chart and then seeing the price either just go sideways and barely budge, or worse yet, down. As past history has shown us, this is not the case for this one. Sure, the price didn't close way up here, but the point being that when big volume hit it, the price showed that it has the capability to move and move very quickly. So your guess is as good as mine when the next big volume surge is, but given we've had some of the profit taking and healthy consolidation, we already know that past history shows that the price can move quickly. So whenever this next big volume day comes in, if history repeats itself, the chart does have that explosive potential behind it, which makes it very attractive from just a potential standpoint, because there's nothing worse, like I said, than seeing charts that have big volume and then the price barely budges or goes down. So that's an important factor that a lot of people miss out. And one of the great things about charts is you can tell what sort of potential a chart has just simply looking at the big volume days and how the price reacted on those days. So overall, we have a healthy consolidation going. Prices pulled back, yes, but we've had a decrease in volume. The key support level that we want to see hold has held at the 50-day simple moving average. And then thirdly, the chart does contain some nice bullish potential as this day demonstrates with the big volume and big price reaction. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, again, this was AERN. Thanks for listening.